What if everything you believe about reality is wrong? What if your daily experiences, your thoughts, your senses, your very identity is built on assumptions that don't hold up under scrutiny? In this episode, we're not just exploring consciousness, we're deconstructing reality itself, layer by layer, using first principles thinking. By the end, your understanding of existence may be forever altered. I'm Darren, and this is Transcendental Harmony. If you like this content, please gently tap that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. It helps me to grow this channel and to ripple more positivity into the collective. Let's begin with a simple question. What is reality? Most of us assume it's what we see, hear, and touch. But our senses are filters, not windows. They shape a default reality, designed for survival, not truth. We inherit beliefs from cultures, language, and biology. But what happens when we strip those away? Enter first principles thinking, a method of breaking complex ideas down to their most fundamental truths. Not what we're told, not what we assume, but what we can reason from the ground up. Science began with matter, atoms, molecules, predictable laws. Then came quantum physics, uncertainty, entanglement, non-locality. Suddenly, reality wasn't so solid. And then consciousness, the observer, the one who sees, feels, and questions. Is consciousness just a byproduct of neurons firing? Or is it something deeper, woven into the very fabric of the universe? Some physicists and philosophers now ask, could awareness be as fundamental as space, time, or energy? Here's the hard problem. How does a physical brain produce subjective experience? How does electrical signals become love, fear, or the taste of strawberries? Materialist science struggles here. So then we turn to thought experiments. What if a robot had perfect behavior, but no inner world? What if your consciousness could be uploaded? Would it still be you? Emerging theories offer radical alternatives. Integrated information theory suggests consciousness arises from the structure of information itself. Panpsychism proposes that awareness exists at every level of matter. These aren't fringe ideas. They are serious attempts to answer the deepest mystery of all. If consciousness is fundamental, everything changes. Free will becomes more than a neurological glitch. Purpose becomes more than a story we tell ourselves. Time itself may be a construct of awareness. This shift reframes how we live, love, and relate. It invites us to see others not as objects, but as expressions of the same conscious field. And it challenges us to ask, what is the self? What is death? What is the universe without an observer? Deconstructing reality isn't about finding final answers. It's about asking better questions. It's about peeling back the layers of illusion to glimpse what might be true beneath it all. So here's your invitation. Begin your own first principles journey. Question everything. Feel deeply. Think freely. Because when you truly begin to deconstruct your own reality, who knows what truths you'll uncover. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay connected. And follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, namaste.